audio tones and narrations have silences. If you were to listen to this, there's no silence here anywhere. So let's just play that out. Hello there everyone and welcome to this Audiate tutorial series. Now what I want to do is after hello, I want to add in, let's say, a silence. So what I can do is I can turn there into a silence. So I simply click there right here and then I'm going to click on silence right here. I can click on this button and it silences. So let's just play around to hear out how it sounds. Hello everyone and welcome to this Audiate. It's not perfect, but that's something we can work around with in Waveform Editor later on. So now I want to get back there. I don't want the silences. I can also right click and then go around right here to insert silences right here. But let's just go around, turn this back onto, let's say Control Z right here. Just press Control Z right here. So I can get that out or silence this out, as you can see. So I'm just going to press Control Z right here. I'm going to insert a silence onto the left side. I'm going to right click and insert silence maybe after there. All right, so there's the silence and the dash represents the silence there. So let's just play around and hear how that sounds. Hello there everyone and welcome to this. Okay, so I don't want to insert a dash right here. Let me just delete that. Hello there everyone, and then I'm going to insert a silence after. So let's just play that around. Hello there everyone and welcome to this Audiate tutorial series. So I just want to delete and right here to make it more natural. Hello there everyone, welcome to this Audiate tutorial series. Welcome, okay, and then I'm going to add in another silence after. So let's just try that out as well. Hello there everyone, welcome to this Audiate tutorial series. It's not perfect, but what you can do is you can edit out in audio waveform later to be more precise. So that is how you can silence audio and insert silence before and after. You can also insert silence before and after to add in a bit more pauses, and that is how it sounds. Hello there everyone, welcome to this Audiate tutorial series. So that is how it sounds now. You can add in as many silences as you want. You can also add in 2 silences, as you can see right here, and work around with it. So that is how you can silence existing audio and then add in silence before and after words inside of Audiate. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.